Hi there. Hi, I've got my Universal Yums box. Was delivered today. I'll put a link below to Universal Yums. Let's see what country this is from. I've already opened the front tab just to make this a little easier. Ooh, welcome to Italy. Italy it is. Yay! All these treats are going to be from Italy, and I'm super excited to see what they sent. There we go. There's a little quick preview. It can also be my thumbnail, potentially. Oh gosh, stuff is falling and Chihuahua's curious. Alright, so we have the book here that tells about the snacks and just gives more, I'm guessing, general information about what we got going on here. Okay. So this is a bruschetta chip, Amica chips. I'm not sure the flavor, but I'm guessing like a cheese or something. Okay, this is another Amica stick. Actually, this is bruschetta flavored, I'm guessing. This maybe is a spice maybe or something. I'm not sure. Looks like it'll be spicy. I'll be reviewing each one of these products over on my review channel, which is linked below for anyone who is interested in seeing these reviewed. Ah, bruschetti. No, they are bruschetti, which Augusto pesto. So this is shallot and, or no, maybe not shallot, maybe garlic and pesto flavor. Pesto flavor, but it looks like little tiny crostini, little baguette kind of thing. Should be interesting. Oh, what is this? Trallalini. It looks like lemon and lime flavored cookies. That could be good. They also have some crisp almond cookies. Amarettini. Oh my, somebody is cussing in there. Also, it looks like we have 2 bags of these Rochelle, and I'm guessing it's rosemary flavored, like a cracker or a crisp of some sort, some kind of little baked tidbit. Okay, we also have a, looks like a green olive torchetti, which I don't know if this is, it's a biscuit. I don't know, I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like a cookie or what, but this is a green olive, so I'm guessing this is going to be very savory. Kind of frightening to me, the green olive one, but I'm just not a fan of green olives myself. Here's some truffle flavored potato chips. These are even gluten-free. Interesting, very, very interesting. Cool. We also have some hazelnut cookies. I'm gonna like those. I'm a big fan of hazelnut. Lots of cookies in this one. Score. Alright, and we also have 2 of the lemon cookie bags right here. So a couple items that are lemon flavor, that'd be nice. 2 of these orange caramel. Looks like an orange caramel pastry of some sort. Feels kind of soft, so that's going to be an interesting. There's 2 of them, so I'll be able to share one with Jay. Unless they're really good, then he may not see one. Shh, don't tell him. Also, we have 2 of these Moretta tiramisu. So also, yeah, it's like a little mini cake. From just the look of the outside and kind of the feel, it almost feels like what I would be familiar with is similar to a Little Debbie cake or something. I'm actually kind of excited to try those out. Okay, and then we also have some almond biscotti, Kantushki. I'm not sure how to pronounce most of the stuff. Okay, then we also have a milk chocolate with hazelnuts chocolate bar. I'm gonna like this. This is gonna be very, very, very right up my alley. And then this one is a saffron with white chocolate. Saffron infused white chocolate. I don't know. I don't know. I can't even like picture what saffron smells like. So I don't know. It's going to be interesting. And then they have the little yum bag, which has some goodies in it. Let's see what's in the yum bag. Man, this yum bag looks kind of overstuffed. Let's find out what we got here. Okay, we've got some, looks like some citrus lemon fruit candies, hard candies. Handful of those. Like a large handful. This looks like Serini. I'm guessing this is some kind of like a chocolate of some sort. And there's a handful of those as well. Kind of feels like it would be like a chocolate. And then cappuccino. So some type of a coffee flavored, I'm not even sure. I'm guessing it's a baked treat. And maybe has a filling in it. And there's multiple of that as well. My goodness. Huh. Well, very cool. I will be enjoying trying all these things. Let me know if you have ever had any snacks from Italy. And if so, if you remember what kind of snack it was, let me know what it was. If you've ever been to Italy, let me know. I would love to travel to places like Italy. It would be, I can't even begin to imagine. It would be amazing. But thank you so much for watching this unboxing. Like I said, the review channel is linked below. I will link below Universal Yum. So far, I've been really happy with their subscription. And I've even found their little book that talks about the products to be entertaining, because there's trivia in here. There's sometimes recipes. There's all kinds of little fun things in here to read as well. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye for now.